Hi, my name is Stephanie Klocko, and I'm on the faculty here at UW-Platteville. I teach the elementary methods class, and last fall we had a blast learning how to use these boomwhackers. That was your exploratory time, right, teachers? And how to engage elementary age students with them. We had so much fun that a club was born. So this is UW-Platteville's premier performance of the Totally Tubular Boomwhacker Ensemble. They will be conducted by Andrew Reeve, who also did a lot of arranging for us. And he is a senior, are you? Yep. Senior choral music education major. So we hope you enjoy the pep tune of UW-Platteville, Star Wars, and Billie Eilish's Bad Guy. We've had so much fun with these boomwhackers. We thought just maybe you might want one more, whether we deserve it or not. We have an encore for you. This is the theme from Batman.